Hi guys, today it's almost Easter. We're gonna do some craft Easter stuff. We have refillable eggs and some chocolate eggs. We're gonna fill the eggs back. We're gonna fill the chocolate eggs into these the colorful eggs. Let's open this. I'll flip it over so it's easier. I open it. There is even a golden egg.
What's inside? You can put all of them in this golden egg. Or you can put one by one in a plastic colorful eggs. Wow, that's nice. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You can do it again now.
I reopened the golden eggs. Now I'm putting them in the colorful plastic eggs. A green turn. Put it in the bowl. Purple turn. Put it in the bowl. Yellow turn. Put it in the bowl. Pink turn. Put it in the bowl. Blue turn. Put it in the bowl. Orange turn. Put it in the bowl. There's still 4 more. We can just use some other the same colors that we got in the bowl.
Okay.
We can do another orange.
You choose your favorite color and you use them in. Orange, green, it's okay.
We can reclose it.
Yeah, great.
Blue one.
Blue because you love blue color, isn't it?
Now, a yellow.
A yellow one. And this was the last one. So who's gonna be surprised today to check what's in these eggs?
My brother.
Yeah, you're gonna surprise him with these eggs. So now all are done. Looks beautiful. And they got surprise in, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, what you're gonna do is the leftover of these plastic eggs now. What you're going to do with them?
With the leftover eggs, we're gonna make a decoration. Start with green grass. I'm gonna do how many eggs I can lift.
Make sure you use all the colors, right? So I can't see any yellow or purple. Now you're putting them. Good. How beautiful is this? Wow. One egg is left. That's fine. We can give this to your little brother to play with, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Look at this. It's so nice.
Yep.
It's beautiful. Nice.
Now my surprise eggs are finished and the holder is finished for these colorful eggs. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Bye.